Part 2 ng top 5 reasons bakit hindi ka pinili ng clients. So sa part 1, I talked about the top 5 and top 4 reason bakit hindi natin nakukuha yung work from home position or role na gusto natin. This is also a video about how to find yung client na nakalaan para sa inyo. So we've talked about creating client persona by thinking about the best timing to apply and kung saan ka mag-a-apply or anong platform ka nga ba tatambay. Reason number 3, baka kaya hindi ka napipili because you're not standing out. Nakita mo may nag-post, huy ganito daw para maano, so ginawa mo naman. Tapos nakita mo, huy may template si ganito, ginaya mo na lang. Yung iba nga nagbabayad na lang para magpagawa ng cover letter, portfolio at saka Pati pag-a-apply, pwede mo nang bayaran ngayon. Aga na chismis. Ang pag-a-apply ay para rin lang love life. Kailangan merong kakaiba kang ino-offer na hindi nila nakukuha sa iba. Pakiramdaman din yan because if the vibes isn't right, it probably isn't right. So in short, you have to stand out. You have to be different. You have to be someone that they would feel comfortable working with. So paano nga ba ma-achieve yun? Number 1, unique value proposition. Client. Alam mo, marami kang pwedeng makasalamuha na digital marketing specialist, social media marketer, pero sa akin mo lang mararanasan to. Ganon. We'll talk more about unique value proposition later on, but today, we're just talking about yung mga dahilan. Bakit nga ba hindi ka pinili, di ba? Reason number 2, hindi talaga kayo bagay. Madalas kasi pinipilit natin na hindi, gusto ko maging SMM kasi madali lang daw yon plus flexi time. Hindi, gusto ko maging Amazon kasi flexi time yung pwede kong gawin anytime, pwede kong isabay sa corporate job Hindi, sabi ni ganito, okay lang daw na ganito yung gawin dito kasi ganito lang naman yan. So pinipilit natin yung sarili natin na isiksik yung sarili natin sa roles na gusto natin wherein our skill sets or our personality is just not fit. Magkikreate ka ng client persona not for the clients but for you. Hindi ka magkikreate ng client persona based on kung ano yung uso sa market or kung ano yung malaki yung bayad ngayon. That's one basic hack to future-proof your freelancing business. I'll give you guys a moment to think about the top 4 reasons bago kayo discuss yung number 1 reason bakit hindi ka pinili. Again, document your journey. Research about client profiling. Creating client persona, and then document your journey, tag me, and use the hashtag freelancer na Midis 2023.